What is information design? Look around you. Data and information surround us, right? But data is not the same as information. Your data is useless unless it's clear, engaging, and easily absorbed. Enter information design. Information design helps people make sense of data. The primary goal of information designers is to ensure clarity of communication. Information design applies to a broad range of applicability, from presentations to websites to infographics to even restaurant menus. A thorough understanding of user needs is the foundation of the practice. Who are the information designers? As a practice that intends to present information in the clearest way possible, information designers often have skills from various disciplines. Many times, successful information design is a collaborative effort of skilled visual designers, writers, editors, illustrators, data visualization experts, and usability specialists. Why does information design matter now more than ever? Every day we are bombarded with endless flows of data and information. Things like auto-refreshers of social media feeds, digital app push notifications, emails, text messages, and more. It is the information designer's responsibility to ensure that anyone can effortlessly filter and quickly understand data. May it be strings of text, icons, or charts.